Hey guys, Fix It John here. I'm here at the Frisbee Park. I have Scoop with me. We're gonna give him some exercise today and just keep him healthy for our bird hunts. We're gonna go through some obstacles today and just give him some maneuverability training and keep him in shape. So there's a lot of people here today, and I just hope nobody gets upset. Some people do, but most people are okay with it. Okay, we're gonna let Scoop out. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, heel. All right, there he is. We're getting ready to take off. Try to stay out of everybody's way. There's just people all over here. All right, I just wanted to let you know I got his water bottle bag here with me. Got like four bottles of water in it. All right, there he is. He knows where he's at. He's wanting to run. I'm trying to hold him back. So we get by some people here. Yep. I'll turn him loose here in a minute. All right, guys, there he is. I'm gonna let him go down here. This is one of his favorite spots. Find something dead to roll in. And we're gonna go here to this construction site here and hopefully give him some obstacles to run through. Maybe put him on some birds. There he is, taking a mud bath. Cooling down. Kind of warm down here in Florida, so I'll just let him get in there and get all muddy. He cools him down. Go from one mud puddle to the next. Pull him down, give him a little more energy to run. But yeah, we just find an open field somewhere here. We live in a densely populated area, and bam, there's apartments. So we're not doing any hunting out here. We're just exercising Scoop and giving him a little bit of agility so he knows how to get in and out of situations. So let's see which way he wants to go. I want to go left, so if he goes right, I'll give him a whistle to turn him. Yep. That's all that one whistle means, is turn, change direction. There's the highway, that's US Highway 19 running through Clearwater. That one long whistle's to stop him. I like to get up here and check it out. We always come up here around this retention pond. Makes for a nice little long walk. You can't see the end where we came in, but I take him up here and we walk around this retention pond, give him plenty of exercise. Can't have a dog sit all summer long and then expect him to hunt for you when you go out in the winter time. Plus it's healthy for him. That's the way it is, man. People can't afford homes. It's pitiful. Just showing you some reality there. So we come up here. And this is what it is. It's a retention pond by the highway and a hotel. I'll release him here. I go this way, and if he runs that way, he'll follow. But he'll wonder where I'm at. So see, he's already coming back and I didn't call him. It's like 80 degrees out here too, guys. So I won't keep him out too long today. But he's got 4 bottles of water plus any pond or lake I let him jump into, creek. I try to put an eyeball in the creek or pond before he gets in, but do my best to keep him safe. All right, he's deep within that retention pond there. I can hear him somewhere. There he is. He got a stick fell off of him. But you can't. You gotta let your dog run. I mean, if it's a hunting dog, you gotta give him exercise. Hopefully, if when we move up to Tennessee, we'll have some property and I won't have to worry about alligators. And he's in there somewhere. Bam, there's the apartments. I'd rather live there than that pile down there. Oh, there he is in the middle. Hip, hip, scoop. Hip, hip, hip. I don't. Hip. Don't want a gator to get him. Don't want him to get too far in there. He's getting too brave. There he is. Yep. Never had to stem him. I was getting ready to though. We make one round around here and then start heading back. But yeah, I bring him to places like this in the city because there's so many Karens and Kevins and people are just unbelievable. That dog is not afraid, man. See if we can get a glimpse of him here. Oh, he's way over there. I just caught a glimpse of him. You hear branches popping. So, he's been cut up a couple times and taking him in to get stitched up, and the vet's like, what happened? Well, I don't know what happened. I wasn't right beside him. But yeah, most people don't understand that hunting dog is not at your side all the time. If he was at my side all the time, I wouldn't want him. About not bothering anybody. He'll run right by those people like they're nothing. All he's here to do is hunt. Thinks he's hunting anyway. We'll go over here and we'll stop him. There, he stopped him. stopped him because I don't want him to get eaten by alligators. Can't let him in hard because the girl just said there's gators in here. Hip, 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 hip. There's a gator right there. There he is, guys. He just jumped straight down there. Let him cool off. Maybe he'll do it again. We're at the Phillies minor leagues, whatever it is. He goes on the other side of that fence. I'm not allowed over there. Phillies, you can see that. But yeah, I'm training Scoop not to go across blacktop or wide concrete. He's thinking about it. I want him to cross roads like this with me. Hip, heel. So he knows we can cross now when he's with me. Make sure nothing's coming. Okay. Okay. Don't get hit by a bike or a car. I mean, there's no cars coming down this path, but fast electric bikes are coming down here. Runs down there like he owns his place. There's a bike rider, an electric bike. All right, he's looking at me because he knows we can't go across that without me. We got to cross it because it gets narrow on down here to the right. Heel. Heel. All right, today probably would have been a good day to bring the GoPro. Because I can't do everything at once. Okay. See if he'll jump on one of these tiles over here. This is why I brought him down here today. Hip, 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 hip. Hip. Hip, hip. Scoop, heel, heel. Heel, 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 heel. There it goes. This is just agility, so when he gets out and gets hung up by himself, heel, heel. Got off that one. This is a pretty good jump. Let's walk him on down over here. Yep, okay. Walk him up this one. Hip, hip, heel, 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 heel. He knows what to do. There. Yeah. I mean, he's not a circus dog, but just want to keep him trained up and know how to function. Most dogs wouldn't. Okay. Most dogs wouldn't know how to even get themselves out of a wet paper bag. See what he does here. See if he knows where I'm at. Yep. Good workout today. Heel. Don't want him going across there. I don't want him getting hit. Even by like, yo. Okay. Get him. He's still all pent up. He just stopped like, oh, there's a bird there. No, that's good for him. Take him back over here to his favorite watering hole. I don't think they're having a tournament on this side. I got him in his favorite watering hole here. He still hasn't used all his energy up. Yeah, guys, I hope you like this video. This is just me and Scoop out running around keeping exercised. It's good for him and it's good for me too. Fix It John, thanks for watching.